Myself, Dr. Padmaja, consultant dermatologist at Neuro Skin and Hair Clinic, Hyderabad. So most people think hair transplant is a very simple procedure, but in reality, it is a very complex procedure. First and foremost step is a diagnosis of your hair condition. So firstly, the grade or stage of your baldness is assessed, and whether you need a transplant or not is identified. Donor area is a back part of your scalp where the hair follicles are permanent, not affected by the DHT hormone. So after assessing the donor area, we go on to designing the hairline. It is carefully planned according to your facial structure, the forehead size and shape, and your age. After following all these steps, we go on with the extraction part. So once the extraction is done, the extracted grafts are placed in specialized solutions to maintain the hydration and survival of the grafts. Then comes to implantation, where we again take care of the natural direction and angle of grafts to give you the best natural look. So if you're considering hair transplant for yourself and want to understand how we doctors plan the number of grafts and design hairlines naturally, do comment hair in the comment section below and we will guide you.